Assalamu alaikum. I am Amna Niazi from APSACS 4th Road with your Computer Science class 8th, week number 8. The topic which we are going to discuss in today's lecture are the system unit, different storage devices and output devices in detail. So what are the objectives for today's lesson? Students will be able to learn about the system unit, its architecture and structure, the purpose and examples of different storage and output devices in detail. So first of all, what is system unit? It is the first main part of the computer which basically includes the motherboard, the power supply and the drives such as the DVD drive, hard disk drive inside the computer casing or computer unit. All the input devices and output devices of the computer are connected to the system unit through the different ports, or you can say sockets or slots. Now what is motherboard? It is basically the main circuit board inside the system unit. It contains the microprocessor, main memory, expansion cards, many IC chips. IC stands for integrated circuits, connectors and other electronic components. It also has many buses which are the basically physical electrical pathways printed on it. These buses are used to transmit information between various components of the computer, and all the input and output devices are connected to the motherboard. Microprocessor. A microprocessor is the main chip on the motherboard that controls all activities of the computer. It is also known as central processing unit, CPU, or simply processor. You can also say it is also the brain of computer. Microprocessor contains the control unit, CU, arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, and the different registers. So what is ALU? As its name shows, ALU is a part of the computer that performs all the calculations and comparisons. It consists of arithmetic unit and the logic unit. Arithmetic unit basically performs all the basic arithmetic or mathematical operations which include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And the logic unit performs the logical comparisons which include the comparisons of different numbers and alphabets in terms of their ASCII codes. What is control unit? Control unit basically controls the operations of all the components of the computer. It controls the working of all the input-output devices, the storage devices and the ALU. Control unit basically loads the programs into memory and executes them. It consists of very complicated circuits. So what are registers? Registers are small memory units inside the microprocessor which are temporarily used to store some of the information during program execution. Each register has a specific purpose. The different and commonly used registers in a computer are the instruction register, accumulator register, data register and the memory address register. Each register has a specific purpose. Storage devices. As the name shows, these devices are used to store the programs and data that are not currently used by the computer. They have huge storage capacity, therefore these are also called mass storage devices or secondary, or you can also say external memory of computer. Hard disk is the most commonly used external storage device that is fixed inside the system unit. Some portable storage devices are CD, DVD, memory cards and USB. These devices have less storage capacity than hard disk, but they are cheaper in price and easy to carry. As the name shows, these are portable devices. So first of all, hard disk. It is basically a magnetic storage device used to store computer data. Its storage capacity is almost hundreds of gigabytes. It is fixed inside the computer casing or system unit. Portable hard disk is also available that is attached to the computer through a USB port. Next is the compact disc or CD. It is also a portable optical storage device. Optical means it stores data using light energy or light technology, and it has a storage capacity of 700 megabytes. It is 1.2 millimeter thick with a diameter of 120 millimeters. CD drive is used to read data from or write data to a CD. Next is the digital versatile disc or DVD. It has the same thickness and diameter as CD, but it has more storage capacity as compared to a CD, which is in the range of 4 to 16 GB. A DVD writer is installed in the computer to read data from or write data to a DVD. Memory card. It is also commonly used mostly in mobile phones. Memory card is a small storage device having storage capacity of few gigabytes. It is also available in different sizes and different storage capacities. These cards are generally used in laptop computers, portable devices such as mobile phones, digital camera for storing pictures, audio and video files. Universal Serial Bus USB. USB flash drive is also a small portable drive that is connected to computer through a USB port. It is also known as USB memory. It is very fast in operation and its storage capacity is almost 128 GB till now. Next are the output devices. You all know about output devices. Basically, these devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor or print information on the paper. The information that is displayed on monitor is known as soft copy, while anything that is printed on the paper is known as hard copy or printout. Some commonly used output devices are the monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker. First one is the monitor. It is a commonly used output device that has a screen on which the information is displayed. It has two common types, CRT, cathode ray tube monitor, and the LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. CRT monitor is very similar to old television. It is almost obsolete, not used nowadays due to its big size and low display quality. While LCD monitor is commonly used, it is slim, smaller in size, it uses less power and has better display quality than CRT monitor. Now here you have to write the comparison of features of CRT and LCD monitor, and as a conclusion you have to show that which monitor is better among both. Next one are the printers. These are output devices that print text and graphics on paper and which is known as hard copy. Two commonly used printers are the impact printer and non-impact. Impact printers basically use electromechanical mechanism which causes the character shape to strike against the paper and leave an image of the character on the paper. Dot matrix is the most commonly used impact printer which speed is 50 to 500 CPS characters per second. Their printing is very cheap but their quality is not much good. They produce a lot of noise while printing, and these printers are still used for printing invoices, bank statements, utility bills, etc. Non-impact printers. These printers basically print without striking the paper, therefore they do not produce any noise. Two commonly used non-impact printers are the inkjet and the laser printers. Inkjet printers basically stores ink in a cartridge and sprays on paper through fine nozzles on the print head. These are used in all sectors in homes and simple business organizations. Laser printers use technology similar to a photocopy machine. These printers are more expensive, faster, and have a very high print quality as compared to inkjet printers. These are perfect for large-scale businesses. Next one is the plotter. Plotter is an output device used for printing engineering drawings, machine parts, building designs, maps, charts, and penaflexes on large size paper or sheets. Such large printing is not possible on printers. It is more expensive than a printer, and they have two types, ink plotter and pen plotter. Ink plotter is used for printing images, while pen plotter has colored pens which are used for printing engineering drawings, machine parts, building designs, etc. It is basically a slow output device, but its printing quality is much good as compared to a printer. Last one is the speaker. It is a device used to produce audio output. A pair of speakers is attached to the sound card on the motherboard, and these are commonly used with multimedia software and for playing music and videos on the computer. You have to solve your assignment which is uploaded on AMS. For any queries, you are free to contact your teachers. Thank you. Best of luck.